You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 1 over 2 times m greater than 1 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1 over 2 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 1 over 2 times m greater than 1 over 2.